Wow, OM looks good. OM looks delicious. Let's go with OM, guys. I'm gonna pick OM. Things are looking up. Things are looking up, guys. Let's pick 50 of this, right? Yeah, let's go with that. Let's go with that, guys. Did we get to buy it? Did we get to buy it? OM, are you? Oh, it looks like it's gonna. It looks like it's gonna. It looks like it's gonna. Oh, it's gone. It's gone, guys. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Let's go ahead and go check. How much did we buy it? That was in three. That was in two batches. That was 28, 21. That's 49. 34 plus 45. That's 79. Yeah. So that's what we have is 49.79. Okay. So let's go ahead and see whether is this going up or going down. OM, you should do us good. It looks like it's going up, guys. It is going up 74. It's having some good pressure there. We're going to do this in convert as always, guys. Convert as always. Don't forget that. So let's go ahead and get this done. We just want to make sure that every single item is picked up. We don't want to leave anything behind. Nothing should be left behind. Nothing should be left behind. Okay. So we go ahead and pick up the OM. Remember, OM put us in the waiting, but we believe that this is going to be a different experience. Okay. So let's put that in USDT. Yes. So let's go ahead and pick the max, and then we will try to make this 39 or 40. Let's see if we make it 39, how much we will get. It's still not enough, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I love this. I love this. 39, 395 should just be fine. 394. What about 394? $1.16. I think I'm okay with that. 394 is okay. Let's go with that. 394 is the deal, guys. Yes, let's go with that. 394. Let's hope that this will hit the target quickly, guys. You can see it's at 3811. Yeah, it's having a little pullback, but we will be expecting it to push up shortly. As you can see, let's take our screenshot and let's hope that all things go beautifully well, guys. Let's work to see that this goes beautifully. Trust God. Begin to see quick executions. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay. OM got executed, guys, and we got $51.16. Don't forget. Now we actually bought it $49.79. So if you look at it, that means that we have like about 21. Yeah, 21 there, 21, that's like 37, $1.37. Okay, so that's what we actually have as our profit, $1.37. That's interesting. Hello, people. You are welcome. Nice to have you here. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. That will be really, really awesome. So let's keep on going, guys. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. So let's keep on going right now. Okay, so what we have here right now, as you can see, is we have $51.16. Okay, and then we're going to quickly go over and calculate that, right? So we're going to calculate that with our calculator to see how much that is giving us. Where is that again? Okay, so don't forget, let's clear this one. We have $51.16 minus $49.79. So we have $1.37 as our profit. Okay, so how much is that percentage? We want to check that out now. So that means we are going to do 49.79 times. This might be more than 2.6, but I'll just start with 2.6. Okay, yeah, it's more than 2.6. I think like 2.75-ish. Yeah, something in that range, 7.576. I think 76 is perfect. Okay, so 2.76 for OM. As you can see, 2.76 for OM. We have $1.31. Of course, there's some extra change that come after it, but I just try to make it as bare bone as possible. So 2.76, that is awesome for OM.